Hi, it's Raj and this is the unboxing and quick review of miband replacement strap by Sounce. So let's do it. So the strap that came with the Mi Band 3 won out just after 1 year and I had to find a replacement. Since the original strap was also out of stock, I had to look for an alternative brand and I ended up buying this strap by Sounce for around 300 rupees from Amazon India. So let's take a closer look at the strap. As per the product page, it is made of silicone rubber. This one resembles a wristwatch strap with buckle, 2 loops and lots of adjustment holes. This particular model has stitches running from one end to the other and it looks nice. It's also available in blue color. Sounce also offers the strap which looks like the original one at a cheaper rate and there are many color choices for the same. So the seller says the straps are a perfect fit for both Mi Band 3 and 4 models. I have been using this strap from Sounce for over 4 months and it is comfortable and feels durable. So I would definitely recommend it. You can find the links of the Mi Band straps from Sounce in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.